Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
This is speaking test taking place from English Fantasy, and you will join. Our name is Bindu. How may I address you?
My name is Salman. You can call me Salman.
Okay, Salman, sir. Can I know what's your hobby?
Yes, my hobby is traveling, reading book, enjoying, and scrolling mobile phone and watching movie.
So, how do you enjoy it in your free time?
I enjoy my free time with my friend and my family to visit another place, and like this, and I visit another place and enjoying my free time.
Okay. So, how many family members do you have in your family?
We have a six family member and four sibling and my parents.
Okay. Are you happy with them?
Yes, I will be happy with my family.
Do you enjoy cycling?
Yes, I enjoying cycling. I enjoy cycling when I free time. This time I enjoy cycle in another place to visit my friend house and meet there.
Okay. So, is it good to cycling all the time and make a body fit?
Yes, obviously it's good for our body health. Cycle when I make a cycling this time, my full body is moving and to exercising my body for our health.
Okay, sir, this is the end of part one. Right now, we are going to cue card. Your cue card is describe your best friend. You have 1 minute to take preparation, and then you have to speak 2 minutes. Okay, sir, you may start.
My I have one best friend. My best friend name is Simon. Simon. He is a very punctual and sensible person. He always help me, and when I meet him, this time we read in class 1, and we read class 1 to class 10 together. After class 10, he will go to abroad in Italy, and then he go to in by road like this, move to sea this route, but now this time we are a long distance friendship. He always support me and he always advise me when you go another country to like this Europe country, then you go study purpose. Then study purpose you go, then it's very easy for safely. Like this you take IELTS exam and then you go easily in another country. So that's why he always good motivation speech for me, and when I face any problem then he always help me. When he come in my life, my life is over the moon. And when I face any problem like this, like study purpose or another kinds of things, he always support me and encourage. And he always say you can go another country to take IELTS exam, to take proper preparation and go there safely, and you leave this country for normally. But you cannot, when you can go in by road, this time is very dangerous and you cannot properly stay in another country.
Okay, sir, this is your finished cue card part. Right now, we are going to some technical question. Okay, does he or she help you when you face any trouble?
Yes, obviously, when I travel, lots of time he and me together to travel lots of place. This time he always help me like this traveling time, buying food or another thing. He or first time he buy, then after I cannot go, and he always buy for me, and he always care for me.
Okay, so are you continuing the relationship in future?
Yes, obviously, continues relationship.
Okay, sir, this is the end of session.